Everyone, welcome to this episode Inside the Sandbox. Today we're in Longview, Texas, home of Komatsu's manufacturing plant for the largest wheel loader in the world. We're gonna play on that. It's by our rental car right now. Check that out. This is crazy. We are in Longview, Texas. Again, this is where Komatsu makes the largest wheel loader in the world. We've got Craig and Jason here. They're excited, right? Woohoo! Woo. We're gonna go in the factory and check out where these things are made. This is the engine chassis for what I'm gonna drive in a little bit. This is the L1850. That's the same thing that's outside. You can walk under the engine. Holding up the world.
So here in Longview, we're the mother plant for the surface mining operations for Komatsu Mining. So we make the world's largest front-end loader. Favorite part of the job is the people. So every day getting to go out and interact with them, that is the best thing that gets you up in the morning. They definitely take that to heart, as there's nothing they can't do. So that's a testament to the reason why we've been able to stay as that forerunner on technology, being able to produce not just the world's largest front-end loader, the world's second largest front-end loader. Tolerances that go into our gearing for our planetary systems are plus or minus 0.2 of a thousandth of an inch. You don't know what that is in reference to size. A human hair is 6 thousandths wide. Take that and then start splitting it up to get to that 0.2 of a thousandth.
Wow.
6 times over. So you can take a permanent marker and actually mark on what we call a gear flank. Here, this is a ground tooth now. He's been making the profile. It will show up on our inspection machine, that permanent marker being on there. So the concept,
Just that layer, that thin layer of ink.
just that thin layer going on there.
So we're in the motor shop. Craig's gonna show us this really unique technology Komatsu has for the motors that are in those wheel loaders.
So as far as what sets us apart for the technology that's across the world, SR itself, switch reluctance, isn't special to us. What's special is no one else has figured out how to put it into this large of an application. Because even though we're a mining industry, it is still a social responsibility that we are green energy, and that's what you're seeing here, is that actual electrical, fuel-efficient energy, putting back in what we're taking out.
So are these just 3 different sizes?
Yeah,
Are these,
it's actually, the great thing about SR technology compared to AC and DC is its scalability.
Got it.
You can scale it to any different size applications.
Look at the size of this wheel loader compared to a full-size semi. That's insane. I think what was most impressive, you know, what I've noticed with Komatsu, the vertical integration. So they control, I mean, they'll make all the smallest part from the very beginning, and then they put it all the way through the process, so that way they control the quality all the way through. And I think I noticed this. If you guys haven't seen, we did a great tour of the Chattanooga excavator factory. We'll link to that video. That's really cool, but I think that was impressive. So now we're back into the training center. These guys are in the classroom. They're gonna show us around here a little bit, and hopefully we'll get to play eventually. I'm excited. Let's go.
Everything's made here. We make our own wheel motors. We've designed our own wheel motors. The drive system of this product is designed here in Longview, manufactured in Longview. It's a brushless DC. Everything's electric.
Is Longview the only one that makes the loader? And then
Yes.
Is there other mining equipment made in the U.S.?
Well, the haul trucks for Komatsu are made in Peoria.
Peoria, that's
The
right.
shovels, a lot of the product for the electric rope shovels, that's all still made in Milwaukee.
Got it.
We do a lot of that manufacturing here. You know, Longview has a huge campus, and we got a lot of expansion capabilities because of the land that we have. So we're starting to see Longview not only build the wheel loaders, which is our core product, but because we've got the capacity, we're starting to do a lot of manufacturing for some of the other products.
Do other stuff.
Yeah, so you'll see the shovel off of electric, or the cab off an electric rope shovel being wired down here.
Okay.
We don't design the product, we're just providing the labor to put it together.
got
So
it.
we've got the resources.
Good or bad news? A little bit of both.
You can just bow.
Oh, I like this guy. This is great. We get to play. Oh, what do you got? What do you
Phil
got?
is ready to take out right after break 1850 to the test track. It's
Okay, you get to run the second largest motor in the world.
I guess we'll manage. Second largest. We're in Komatsu's wheel loader manufacturing facility for mines. So he's actually in a simulator. So Adam's going to do a simulator.
We are bringing that energy back into the engine, and we actually spin the engine up faster. We spin our hydraulics up faster because they're direct coupled. We're using the energy of the machine to transfer that energy into doing hydraulic lifting power with no fuel being burned by the engine.
That's really, really cool. What's the, I mean, from a size, capacity, what's the typical, how many yards on that bucket versus a...
And which machine?
Yeah, the 2350 has a 54-yard rock bucket.
70-yard coal bucket.
Okay, we've got a 3-yard.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Woo, we could probably fit the entire 270 in that bucket.
This is the fastest.
I have
There you go.
complete confidence
There
I
you
can
go.
make it up this. Buck it up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, baby.
Point out.
Come on. That was so cool.
Hey guys, coming up, we're going to be driving an L1850. It's the second largest manufactured wheel loader in the world. The only thing bigger is that guy right there, manufactured by Komatsu as well. It's over 2,000 horsepower. Again, to put that in a comparison, our wheel loader on site, a WA270, has 143 horsepower. This thing's huge. I'm in a bucket!
This thing's huge.
Huge!
What we have here is one of our test buckets. This is a 50-yard test bucket.
50 yards.
50 yards.
That's a lot of
So
yards.
it's a lot of dirt. Figure about 4 10-wheeler loads of dirt in one scoop.
So perspective, our wheel loader is about 3 yards. So yeah, that would be a lot. Crazy.
Which most people think is big.
Right.
It doesn't even compare to this.
These are some big tires. However, they're not the biggest tires that we use. This is a 58, 85, 57 tire. This tire is what we use on the L1850.
So how much does this tire weigh about?
So this tire right here with the rim assembly weighs right around 9 tons, 8 to 9 tons.
Wheel loaders we have on our site, they're about 15 tons, right? 16 tons for the entire wheel loader.
We have 36 tons of tires.
This tire, one tire, 2 tires is more than our entire wheel loader at our sandbox site.
Yeah, what's the
Right here, this is, all of these machines are diesel electric powered.
Yep.
These are the converter packages that take and they receive the command for propel or dynamic retard electrical braking,
Okay.
and they will take, it's a DC to DC converter panel, and it sends out the power to each individual wheel motor.
Are you getting this on camera?
Why not just have an elevator?
This engine should be 2,000 horsepower.
So our wheel loader has 143 horsepower.
Yeah, a little bit small.
Little bit small.
Tom said that the fan was 300 horsepower to run on the biggest one.
Yeah.
In the operator seat, we'll get her cranked up. We'll take it for just a short drive forward and back to get you familiar with the controls. And once we've done a couple of back and forths, then we'll move over and actually dig some dirt.
Got it. I feel like the first time when you were like 5 and you got to go to a new jungle gym. There's just all this stuff I want to like check out and explore. I don't think the video is going to do it justice on just how big this thing is.
Woo! All right. So, again, same pedals as with the simulator. Go ahead and hoist it up all the way to the top. Select forward and just accelerate up. You can accelerate. Return to dig, and she drops like a rock.
God,
Well, it's kind
that
of
is
slow
cool.
down
Yeah,
before it hits.
Let's we'll swap out and get Adam in here real quick. It's incredible how smooth this is. I'm watching that rock right there too.
Oh, don't worry about it.
That don't mean anything.
That's just a tiny pebble.
That was quite a day. Not very often you get to drive the second largest wheel loader in the world, right?
That was incredible.
So it was awesome. Can't thank Komatsu and all the team here in Longview operation for giving us a tour and letting us operate those things. It was absolutely epic. So thanks again. You guys make sure if you like this video, please subscribe below, right here, subscribe. If you really want to see more, watch that video right over Adam's face, that one right there. Or if you don't, you can watch another one down there by his belly or something like that. So awesome.
Higher than my
Seriously.
pants.
Are you gonna click them? We're gonna stay here.
If
till
you
click.
don't click them.
Just to subscribe, come on.